Namaskar. Your confidence can sometimes be affected by how you look, especially if your skin has marks and acne spots. Acne can make you feel unattractive, self conscious, or even unclean. The bacteria that cause acne, called Cutibacterium acne, and it lives on the skin, with even with perfectly clear faces. The real issue isn't the bacteria itself, it's how your body reacts to it. Hormones clog pores, pollution, bad diet, and inflammation can also cause acne. So instead of blaming your skin, it's time to understand acne is a health condition and not a flaw. And with the right care, you can heal it naturally, gently, and bring back that clear glow and confidence. Today, let's explore a few simple natural remedies to support your skin and your self esteem. First comes cleansing and learning to stop over washing. Wash your face with mild, non stripping cleanser. So, let me teach you how to make natural, gentle cleanser for acne prone skin. You will need 1 tablespoon besan, 1 tablespoon finely ground moong dal, 1 tablespoon of wild turmeric powder, or called as kasturi manjal, half teaspoon finely ground nutmeg. Mix all these ingredients and keep them in an airtight bottle. Every night, take 1 spoon of this mixture and mix it with 2 tablespoons of milk. If a paste is too tight, add little more milk and get into a spoon dropping consistency. Apply it on your face, wait for 5 minutes and wash out gently. Avoid scrubbing too hard or washing too much. This strips oil from your skin and triggers your skin to produce more oil. Avoid washing your face with some soap or cleanser in the morning. Simply splash water on your face. There is a misconception that in the morning your face looks dirty. But in reality, your skin repairs itself and fills your face with natural oil throughout the night. This repairs and heals your skin. Using cleanser can strip the natural oil from your face. Remember never to go to bed without washing your face. Never skip the step of cleansing your face at night when you go to bed. This will remove all the particles accumulated in your pores throughout the day. Second, eat skin friendly food. What we eat affects how we glow. Try to include food items like leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are rich in antioxidants. Zinc rich food like pumpkin seed, lentils, and chickpeas. Zinc is one of the many essential nutrients that your body needs. It primarily protects your immune system by fighting off harmful cells. Even studies show that zinc is effective in the treatment of severe acne. The next food type you must include in your diet is food rich in omega 3 fatty acid. These include food items like walnuts, flax seeds, or chia seeds. This is because inflammations in your body is the major cause of all types of acne, and omega 3 has anti-inflammatory property. Next, you should also be mindful of what not to eat for acne control. You must gently reduce dairy, which triggers acne in some people. Also, reduce your intake of sugary food, processed food. These may spike insulin and increase oil production in your body. Observe your body, listen to your body, it will tell you what works. Third, drink enough water. Water helps flush out toxins, supports digestion, and keeps your skin plump and healthy. If you are bored of plain water, try herbal tea, especially peppermint tea or Himalayan rhododendron tea. These can help you deal with hormonal acne. Next, let's learn to treat acne spots and marks naturally. Let me give you one face pack for acne marks. To make this weekly face pack, you need 1 tablespoon powdered masoor dal, 1 teaspoon sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon multani mitti. Soak all these in 2 tablespoons of curd for 30 minutes. Apply on your face for 10 minutes and wash out with cold water. If you are busy, then you can use 2 other powerful healer for acne mask. Raw honey, which has antibacterial and soothing property, simply dab it on the spot where your acne marks are severe. Next, we have tea tree oil. Take 2-3 drops of tea tree oil and dilute it by mixing it in 1 teaspoon of carrier oil like coconut oil and apply on spots. Do a patch test of all these remedies to make sure that these natural ingredients suit your skin type. Be patient, let your skin guide you. The fifth, perhaps most powerful tip for acne control is sleep. Sleep well and stress less. Acne isn't just about products, it's about peace. Remember, chronic stress increases cortisol, which can lead to breakouts. So, whenever you feel angry or upset or stressed, remember you are actively harming your skin and triggering your acne. Breathe deeply for 5 times with equal counts of inhalation and exhalation. This will ground your energy. Always aim for 8 to 9 hours of sleep. It is a wonder cure for all acne related problems. Create a wind down routine for restful sleep. It can have steps like stretching before bed, journaling, meditating, turning off your screens. Commit to a sleep routine because sleep is not just rest, it repairs your skin and your mind. Some extra power tips for acne control are: change pillowcases twice a week. Next, wipe your phone screen after every use. Have a separate face towel for yourself. Don't share your makeup products. Don't touch your face now and then. Or don't pick your pimples with your fingers. Remember, acne may be persistent, but it is curable completely. All you have to do is learn to be patient and learn to not judge your worth by the marks on your face. Love yourself fully to heal yourself kindly. So breathe deep, be gentle, take time for your skin, and be kinder to your mind. Namaskar.